why the robots aren't taking over. One of my favorite things that people ask me when I tell them that I work in data is that the robots are going to take over soon. And the good news is that they're not, and this is why. It's this thing in data science called the 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule means that you're going to be spending the first 80% of your time doing stuff that's not actually data science. It's all the infrastructure you need in order to support the data science. So this is like data cleaning and data processing and making sure that your flavor is in a way that machines can understand. And then once you do that, then you can run your model. And as you might imagine, this first 80% we don't really talk about because it's not sexy. And all we focus on is deep learning and machine learning and artificial intelligence. But without having your infrastructure and the right data and the right formats, it's kind of like trying to speed when you don't even have a road to drive on. So for example, if I'm collecting data on days of the week, and I have Monday through Sunday, if I put the word Monday into a machine, it doesn't understand that. It has no meaning. But what I can do is assign each day of the week a different number, like 1 through 7, for example, and then it can process all that info. So when we're doing what we call feature engineering, for example, we're taking all the info that we have and making it accessible for a machine to understand. Because machines can't really extrapolate information like people can. But the good news is that there's a lot of companies that take care of that first 80% for you so that you can focus more time on the artificial intelligence and the analytics and helping the robots. And obviously I have to do my StatSig pitch here, but there's some other great companies out there like Data Robot and Data IQ as well that take care of that so that you don't have to worry about building up your data science infrastructure and your testing infrastructure. You can focus on running awesome tests and building fast products and building out things that really contribute to your clients and their well-being. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more, feel free to reach out and I'm happy to chat. Thanks.